Hey?
No.
Oh, you're not nervous, are you? Yeah, well, that's fine, that's fine. But you don't need to be, because this technology, which is brand new to the market, is designed specifically for people who've never flown RC helicopters. And the whole idea of RC helicopters is have fun, but the trouble is, learning to fly a helicopter is hard, it's challenging, and it can be expensive. So let's try and get over that by creating technology which allows people like yourself, who've never flown a thing before in your life, to have a go at it and get the bug. So let's just face the fact, look at all these people, give them a wave. Give them a wave. Let's just, we don't know each other at all, we just literally plucked you out of the crowd because your hand was in the air. Introduce yourself to our friends in the crowd.
Hey, my name's Steve, I'm from Nottingham. And I've never flown a helicopter before, so we'll see how this goes.
And who are you with today?
With my son, Billy.
Right, Billy? Somewhere. Just with your son? All right. So, are you ready for this?
Yes, let's go.
Let's remind everyone your name.
Steve.
Steve. Okay, Steve. So you've had a chat with Ralph, who's the owner of Mikado Helicopters, who came up with this technology, and he's going to give you a transmitter. You've never flown a transmitter before, is that correct? Right, so we're going to put you on mode 3. Mode 2, mode 2. That means nothing to you, but the throttle is on the left-hand side. Okay? So, Ralph's going to show you how to do this. I'm going to put the microphone in front of Ralph's face. It's working. It's working. Look, he's flying it. Hey, look
Fly
at this.
around.
Go on, fly around. Look at this. He's got a big smile. Look at the smile on this guy's face. Wow, he's flying it. He's never flown an RC helicopter or an aeroplane in his life before, and he's now flying the new Mikado. This is the training station, the training simulator. In real life. Look at him, he's flying, and what he does, it creates like a geospatial map around the base station, and it uses a special kind of technology which prevents the helicopter from going or moving outside of that predetermined space. And it allows the pilot to fly freely without the fear of crashing.
And then you try to fly out.
So try and push it forward, push the nose forward. That's it, you're doing it. Look at this, Ralph. It works.
There you
go, so it's an invisible barrier prevents you from flying outside in your comfort zone. How about that? What do you reckon, Steve?
It's cracking, isn't it?
You want one now, don't you?
Oh, yes.
Oh, there you go. And of course, the whole idea of this is to get people, perhaps at a certain age, you haven't got the nerve to go out and buy a helicopter and go through that whole process of crash, build, repeat, crash, build, repeat. This is brilliant.
We've got a minute. Can we do?
Look at that. He's getting into this. He's getting into this. And rather the flight time on this is probably about 4 minutes, 5 minutes?
No, flight time is 8 minutes.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So the best is the helicopter will land automatically. So by switch. So we can show this.
Which button?
The green button here. So
Press the switch.
So now we land automatically.
So hold it in the air.
Direct on the platform.
That's pretty impressive, isn't it?
So
There you go.
This system is working with ultrasound. It's no GPS, so you can fly indoor and outdoor. It's very precise. We have different flight modes, so not only for beginner, also for medium flyers, they can learn easily nose in flying without stress.
That's what it is, isn't it? It is the stress element. What do you reckon, mate?
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Are you going to be one of the first customers?
Maybe.
Steve, thank you very much indeed for coming out and being plucked out of the crowd. It's very brave. Give a round of applause for our lovely victim, volunteer Steve. There you go. That's the flight simulator, the brand new technology from Mikado. It's going to be released in October of this year. Keep an eye on it. It's It's going to be all over the internet. Incoming, we've got 4 sides, so can we have everybody back to the safety barriers, ladies and gentlemen?
Hey guys, thanks for checking in on this Bravo 303 video from Weston Park 2022. If you've got any questions about the model you've just seen, hit it in the comments below. If you like the video, hit the like, and if you want to see more from the show, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you soon.